For many people, hair loss or dandruff is equivalent to a nightmare. Some people are losing sleep over dandruff and hair loss. This is the only case when people don't like their black dress and white dandruff combination. In today's stressful world, hair problem is becoming a common increasing ailment. There are many ways to treat those hateful white flakes. One of the ways is to treat naturally without damaging hairs. Let's start our video without any delay. We will use 4 simple ingredients that are easily available in market. First thing that you need to prepare this remedy, neem oil. Neem oil is an effective dandruff shampoo. It eliminates not only dandruff but the itchy scalp that often comes with it. It has antiseptic and antibacterial properties which remove dandruff from roots. Apply this mixture 2 to 3 times a week. Neem oil has regenerative properties that support healthy cell division and stimulate hair follicle growth and function. It also helps in countering hair thinning caused by pollution, stress or medication. Therefore, regular application of the neem oil promotes thicker, stronger, and more luxurious hair growth. In a washed bowl, take 1/4 teaspoon neem oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup yogurt, and in the last add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients and apply to your scalp and hair. Leave it for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse it with herbal or Ayurvedic shampoo.